Do you know there's a free tool that not many people are using? What it can help you generate thousands of dollars. Sounds too good to be true? Let me tell you how. This completely free AI tool can convert simple information into cash and help you get rich. Yeah! Have you heard of Google's Notebook LM? If you haven't, then buckle up because we are going to uncover a hidden gem in this video today, which will level up your AI game and turn into pure gold. Not by coding, not by grinding for hours, and not by following trends which would die in a couple of months. As compared to the general purpose AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, not a lot of people are using Notebook LM, and as you know, the early adopters do get an unfair advantage. So now is the time to get on to Notebook LM and start making money. By the end of this video, you will know 2 income streams by using the power of AI. Let's start with understanding what is Notebook LM. It is described as the ultimate tool for understanding information that matters the most to you. It is designed to help people understand complex information by providing an integrated space for reading, thinking, asking questions, and writing. So let's uncover Notebook LM and the 2 income streams that you can use. Let's start with the first idea on how to make money using Notebook LM. First one is to write content for clients. Usually a medium-sized business would pay around 3 to 4 figures a month for someone to create newsletters and blog posts for them. It's not because they don't have the knowledge, but because they don't have the time and energy. They don't want to spend time on learning SEO, but they instead want to focus their time and energy on something that matters the most to them, which is their business. Writing that perfect email or blog post actually distracts them from what they want to do. So they would happily give that money to somebody who will make it easy for them. I know there are a lot of people out there who are using ChatGPT to create content, but Notebook LM is a game changer. I repeat, total game changer. This idea is perfect opportunity for anyone who wants to write content because Notebook LM makes it so easy. It will probably be the easiest side hustle because you do not have to spend so many hours brainstorming and thinking and doing the research for writing content. You can create high quality content using the power of AI. So basically, you're feeding all the content to Notebook LM, let Notebook LM do the magic, and you add a human touch to make it personal. Now, let's break this process and understand step by step how to do this. First question in your mind would be how to pick a niche. Well, the easiest way would be to pick a niche where people want to pay for content. An industry where people already know the value of good content. And ideally, where they're already making money from good content. In my opinion, coaches and consultants in specific fields like healthcare, business, finance, and relationship coaches are going to be the perfect fit. Then you could also reach out to tech startups who need good content consistently, but they don't have the time and skills to create content, and therefore they would be happy to pay for it. And another one would be marketing agencies because they need to attract the leads to convert business. Pro tip, pick a niche where you already have some expertise so you don't have to start from scratch. It's going to make the process and selling much easier for you. Now let's understand how Notebook LM will automate this process for you. Step 1 would be asking your client for their best content sources. You'll be doing this for 2 reasons. Number 1, to feed it to Notebook LM, and number 2, to be aligned with their content style. You don't want to create content which doesn't resonate with their current style unless they want to completely reinvent their content. You can ask for blog posts, interviews, books, course materials. And yes, all of them can be fed to Notebook LM because it supports multimodal AI features. Multimodal AI features means that an AI model is able to take in more than one sort of media. It could be text, audio, and even code. And once you have all the data, step 2 is to upload everything to Notebook LM. In fact, if your client has already published some content on YouTube, you can provide the direct link of the YouTube video to Notebook LM. I don't think it is possible in ChatGPT yet. Another reason for using Notebook LM versus any other general purpose AI tool is that they can hallucinate more. See, tools like ChatGPT are trained on vast amount of data. But for something like Notebook LM, the source of information is everything that you provide. It can stay guardrailed within the limits of knowledge that you have provided. ChatGPT hallucinates more and can provide biased results. If you want to know about biases in AI, I've made another video. You can click the I button or I'll also put the link in the description. Coming back to the process. See, once you've uploaded all the documents and provided all the links to Notebook LM, the next step is to ask for output. Remember that whatever AI tool you will use, the client will be able to understand that this is not human generated, and therefore you need to add some human touch to it. They can put it in any AI detection tool and they will find out that this content has been written by an AI tool and not by a human. 80 to 90% of work is done by the AI tool, and then you add a human touch just to do the rest of 10 to 20% of work. It's like reviewing somebody else's work, so you don't have to start from scratch. All you have to do is just mark it whether it's done properly. or not. In terms of getting clients, try to look for coaches and consultants who are posting content, but they are not regular. They either don't have the time or they don't have someone to pick it for them. Offer them a simple newsletter or a blog post matching their current style. And if they like it and see the impact of what you've created, you will be definitely hired. Now, talking about the second income stream. The second way to earn money using Notebook LM is helping businesses organize information and provide a structure to it. We know that after the pandemic, there's a wave of online courses. Anything that was in person earlier is now being delivered online, which is good because pretty much anybody in the world can take advantage of it. But most online coaches struggle with one thing: encouraging the students to complete the online course. And that's a problem because if they can't complete the course, they can't provide testimony and therefore future business is at stake. And if you're wondering why students struggle to finish the course, it's because the courses are not engaging enough. They need some sort of gamification or workbooks or cheat sheets to make it easy, to make the learning fun. The educators do have a lot of knowledge, but they struggle to spend time on these extra bits, which result in them losing a lot of money on the tail. Research shows that the completion rate of online courses is between 5 to 15%. So there lies a great opportunity because that's where you come in. There are various reasons why students would struggle to complete their online courses. Sometimes there's too much information. Sometimes they just lack structure, lack of gamification, lack of proper content, no accountability. All of these are contributing factors. Materials like workbooks or guided worksheets, they can help increase the chances of completion by up to 70%. So how to solve this problem? Well, that's where Notebook LM comes to rescue. You can use Notebook LM to create structured content and help these educators get more testimonials and thus more money. Let me break down the process for you. First step is to find coaches who need some course enhancement. They are already selling the courses, but they lack in structured support materials. To begin with, you can start with the courses that you have already taken. That will be an easy and quick win. But you can also look beyond, example, health and wellness coaches because they have to create meal plans, exercise trackers, and fitness guides. Then business and marketing coaches who need worksheets, templates, and growth roadmaps. You can also look for technical educators who need gamification. Then personal development coaches who are looking for action plans, journal templates, goal trackers, etc. Now the question is, where do you find them? You can find them on social media platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, X, and online platforms like Udemy, Coursera, etc. Now, how do you use Notebook LM to automate this process? First step is to ask for their content. Make sure that you have permission to use their content. It could be PDFs, slides, anything, whatever they have, you can feed it for training. Then step 2 is to use that content to create high value items for them. For example, workbooks, which could be a step-by-step guide for the students to go through the course material. Then you can also propose some cheat sheets, which will help them with quick summaries or information gathered in an easy to remember way, like a tabular format. You can also create knowledge check at the end of every milestone, and you can introduce gamification and badges, which would add up some spice in the course. Now, the question is whether those educators will pay for that or not. See, remember that those coaches are already charging money to their students. So if they see value in your content, they will not hesitate at all in giving you the right amount for it. Especially if you're making things easier for them and you're helping them scale up their businesses. If you've taken a course in the recent past and you made some notes for it, package it properly in like a cheat sheet format or a workbook format and send it to the educator for free. Tell them, hey, I took your course and these are the workbooks that I created which helped me a lot to go through the material, and please feel free to share it with other students to simplify their learning process. If the educator likes it, you can easily convert this into a formal piece of work on an ongoing basis. And once you've done it for few educators, you can create a system and you can repurpose the materials. You would know which type of documents are needed. And in fact, you could also recommend the educators on what you think is needed. You can send it like a course enhancement package. If you've come this far, you might have realized already that AI is the next wealth creator. And in a year's time, it would not be a nice to have knowledge, but it would be a requirement. Most people are either overcomplicating AI or not using it out of fear. But the reality is that AI is here to stay. If you're looking for some basic concepts to learn about AI, watch this video I made earlier where I took a course from Google on AI Essentials and I summarized this. So you can take a look. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye-bye.